nadulas but still oozes with confidence in SB19 Damn live performance in Bench Body of Works. Nakakakaba at nakakabahala nga ang nangyari kay Ken na 2 beses nadulas sa kanilang Damn live performance on Bench Body of Works 2025. Pero gayon pa man, kitang-kita that it didn't affect his confidence in his performance. At yun nga, we hope that next time Ken and the rest of the boys will wear shoes that are suitable for their complicated dance choreo for them para maiwasan ang ganitong mga aksidente.